Hello everyone. This year, Productized conference will be online on the 26th and 27th November. It's been a challenging year for everyone, including our team that has been working hard to create an experience that is complete and dynamic and of course COVID safe. However, we believe nothing should stop us from organizing the event. So at Productized 2020, you'll have the opportunity to interact with Ken Sandy, former VP of Product of Masterclass, Shopping Chu, Product Manager at Google, and Radhika Dutt, co-founder of the Radical Thinking Movement. Sean Silkoff, author of The Rise and Fall of the BlackBerry, and many others, along 2 days and more than 20 talks and discussion panels that we have been planning for you. The good news is that our attendees will be able to participate at the conference from the convenience of their homes or wherever you will be, and have networking opportunities and a bunch of surprises that we have been crafting. We are especially interested in making interaction a priority. And that's why we have set up a Slack channel that you can join today. Productized conference is just around the corner. I think it's a great opportunity for you to join us, and I hope you're not skipping 2020. Ready to productize?